your bolt to the rear. Alright? And leave your charging handle all the way to the rear so that way you know where to stop.
Okay, good.
Pull it forward, you remember?
All right, so you probably spend a lot of time up on your toes and elbows pushing forward, trying to get good shoulder pressure so you have a nice tight beating zone. We're doing a similar thing. We're just not putting that much pressure onto it. Because that attachment that he's talking about right at the top of the bipod, that pop metal, that repeated recoil, as you're pressed in.
Okay, come on. Is it magnified all the way?
It doesn't have to be. I like that Moleskine because him to be able to receive the recoil and then settle back on the target. If he's canted in any way possible, it won't necessarily affect that initial shot, but a follow-on shot, he's going to have to reacquire that target.
Line all the way around, or there's no black outline?
No black outline.
Okay, so there's no black outline. Alright, so now what I want you to do is close your eyes, wiggle your head just a little bit, okay, come back to your natural resting position, and open your eye again.
Anybody right now think they need to cheat?
It's to your left.
Yeah, look good. We want to be able to rest our head comfortably onto the rifle.
I need one.
Okay, so
Alright, sniper load for all you guys in the front. On your bellies. On your belly. You pull on your back. Oh yeah.
Dunker fish? Huh? About dunker fish. On your back, sink to the bottom, don't come up till we come. Submerge your drone piece. Ready to go.
Battle buddy?
Heels down.
There you go. Relax. Taking a break. There you go. Alright, kick them feet. Kick them feet. All right, turn the water. Turn the water. Turn the water. Kick them feet. Kick them feet. That's good. You guy over there. Second on the right. Second on the right. Both feet. Legs straight. No, don't pop your legs. Both legs straight. All right, on your feet. How do you get nice and stiff out of this week? Heels flat, hands out.
Oh, I'm a dizzy man.
heads down. All right, hands and knees crawl to the ghillie wash.
Once you get over this log, go to hands and knees, all right? So work your way.
Like on your sniper buddy.
You say over or under?
Over the wall. Stay low. Make sure there's no poison.
picking what to veg first, I suggest you start from top and go to the bottom. So tail first, followed by shoulders. Purposes of the schoolhouse stalk, that's what you're trying to locate is Bob. Not the LNTV, but Bob. Bob's going to be flying high over the top edge of that vehicle. Nice bright orange so that you have a clear target to mill out and range estimate to. Does anybody have a calculator with them? Hopefully so.
Now, you only have a limited amount of time before all these green leaves start turning brown or some other funky color, okay?
The bigger and broader, the quicker they die.
That grass will still last you a little while, but same thing, not terribly long, so you gotta keep constantly.
On my shoulders and up the back. And if you still have time, or you feel like it's necessary, you can move down to the center of that. And inside where it is. I'll do that. You or the ground. Bipod legs should be straight forward. Nice, slow, measured approach. Think about the ticking of a clock. Okay? Tick, 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 tick. We're not moving herky-jerky, but that's how slow and fluid our movements are.
The direction you need to move. Alright? Do not pick your head off the ground. Extending levels all the way out. Remember, you're doing the sniper crawl. I think they got it.
Alright, let's put our weapons down. Go ahead and pull your bells off for a minute. If you got one source on you, go ahead and drink some water.
Come up a little bit higher. Move back. That way you can pick up a little bit more and get a little bit higher.
If you're struggling to find the truck again, start out at 3.5 and then slowly mag in.
No, I got it, sir. I'm just trying.
Injure myself to the point where they can't fucking PPS me for the next 6 months. And then they can just fuck off. I would roll the truck over my fucking body. Get really drunk.
Right at 2, sir.
Okay, so 2 mils.
Or like right now.
Alright,
I'll mill.
alright. Just tell me what the mill that you with it. I'll be your spotter.
Okay. Because right now this is just black standing out.
Are they actually going to fire? Are they going to fire a blank?
No, they don't have blanks right now. They will have blanks.